Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the standard type hierarchy. Now the standard type hierarchy is a very important concept. So this will list out all the types that are built into Python. What do we mean by built into Python? So the word built into Python means when we load the Python in an interpreter mode, these built-ins are already loaded for you, so you don't have to type import. You don't have to import the models. Python interpreter will automatically load these models into the system. So let's learn. So let's see what do I mean. So just open your interpreter, your any terminal, and type Python. If you type only Python, then the default one will open. My default one is 2.7, which is very old, so I'm not going to use this one. I'll exit. I'll use Python 3.9. So as you can see, I am inside the Python 3.9. So when you type Python 3.9, what it actually does, the Python 3.9 is a command which actually loads the interpreter. Now you are running the Python in interpreter mode. Now whatever you write will be an expression or statement in here. Now let's type none. So as you can see, none is a built-in in Python, so that's why it doesn't give any error. But if we type anything else like ABC, it will give an error. ABC is not defined because ABC is not a built-in. Built-in means when we load the Python interpreter, because of some convenience, or because as we need these variables, so Python has given us some classes or objects which will be helpful in writing our program, so we don't have to actually import it. Now let's see what are the standard built-ins in Python. Let's open PyCharm. And let's open a new file. Okay, so the first one is none. Let's type standard built-in Python. So please remember the list of the standard built-in in Python. This will help a lot in your program. So standard built-in in Python's first one is none. So what is a none? None has a type of single value. This has the type this type has the single value, means it's a singleton class, it's a singleton object. During the life cycle of the Python interpreter or your Python program, there will be only one object of none. Okay, now this object is accessed through the built-in name none. So as you know, every code, everything is an object in Python. So this object, so none is an object. So none is this none object has the name none. Now where it is used, suppose you're writing def function 1, suppose it accepts argument a and b. Now c is equal to a plus b, but it doesn't return anything. Now let's call the function function 1 and 2. Result is equal to this one, print result. Now let us learn this function. So as you can see, it is printing none. So if you write any function and then you doesn't return anything, it will return none. So if you want your function to doesn't return anything, then just simply write like this. You don't need to write return in here. Return C. Now run this program and you will get 3. This function is returning the result of a plus b, C. But as I already showed you previously, you don't return anything, it will return none. So none actually used in those functions where we don't want to return anything. So next we will discuss about not implemented. See you in my next video.